Jack and Megan, and we've spent the past 2 years travelling Australia in our Toyota Troop carrier that we turned into our very own tiny home on wheels. But today, we're going to be giving you a tour of something a little bit more luxurious.
Hello, anybody home?
Hello, welcome. Welcome to our 2016 long wheelbase high top Mercedes Sprinter van. And if you're a regular viewer of the channel, don't worry, it's only our Sprinter van for a couple of nights. It is a hire car and the Troopy has not gone anywhere. But if you want to hire it for yourself, we'll share with you at the end of the video how you can do that. But we just figured we'd make this video today because if you're clicking on this video, you might be doing your own van fit out and want some inspiration. Or if you're anything like us, you just watch van builds all the time because you're obsessed.
Like us.
So, safe to say we are obsessed with this one as well. We keep saying it's like a mini apartment. So we'll get into it and we'll show you around. Okay, so first up we've got part of our little kitchen area here. First thing we noticed was how many drawers and cupboards there are in this van, especially compared to the Troopy. We can probably count on like one hand how many drawers we have in the Troopy. But
not even.
There's a lot in here.
Wait, not
what
even.
What do you mean?
Does that even make sense?
You got less than one hand.
I was meant to say the other thing. What do you meant to say? What's the word for it?
I don't know where you're going with it. Anyway, we've got an induction cooktop and an oven with an air fryer.
It's crazy.
We've got an oven in our Troopy, to be honest, but it's nothing like this. And the battery setup to run this as well is obviously a lot better than the Troopy, but we'll get to that later. Jack's very excited about sharing that one. PowerPoints everywhere. This is what we call the shed. Well, that's what the owner calls the shed, and we've picked it up. So I'm probably not going to show you in there because it's filled with all of our
that was something I really wanted to see.
Up. You wanted to see inside.
Yeah, but I was looking at the photos when we were looking at hiring it. Okay. This is like I didn't see inside.
Well, there you go. You can fit like 5 backpacks in there.
Yeah.
And shoes on top.
It could be a shower if you chose to, but the owner didn't opt for that.
Yes, because they preferred to store their bikes instead. They ride bikes. But anyway, continuing on, we have got an upstanding fridge.
90 litres it is.
90 litre,
What was the brand of it, Megan?
That's a Thetford. So that's the same brand as our toilet and the toilet that they've got here as well. But again, get to that later. This is also filled with our stuff, but you can't see it, but there is a clothes rack in there. You can tell that we never use coat hangers.
We've forgotten how to use coat hangers.
Well, I don't have any, but I just thought if I have a chance to hang up clothes, then I'm going to take it. And a mirror in there as well, which I did try to do in our Troopy setup, but
it fell off.
No, it's still there. It's just very awkward because in the Troopy, to use the mirror, you have to like sit here and open this and then look here and then you can see yourself. But
look at all this room.
Just stand up and look at yourself in the mirror here. Also, as you can see, as you've come in here, we've got some mosquito nets as well. Again, we've got some more bench space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drawers. Are you kidding me? And a sink with running water. Wow.
And hot water.
And hot water as well.
We'll get more into that when I take over.
Under here is where we have got the toilet stored, which if you are currently in your van building planning stage, for us, the toilet is the #1 thing that we think you should make room for. I feel like if you're planning on living for an extended period of time on the road, trust me, having some sort of composting or chemical toilet is going to be an absolute lifesaver.
Game changer.
All right, cabinets.
More
Also, we've got proper lighting in here as well. Not just the LEDs, but also
we can have a party. Somehow.
Wait, are you doing it?
Yeah, there we go.
Disco mode.
Change the colours. How cool is that? I don't like the red one.
Yeah, we tried the red one last night and it looked very creepy, so that one won't be turned on. Anyway, this is another game changer for us. In the Troopy, we do not have any desk space. Having a proper table and proper desk, and we can actually both sit here comfortably with our laptops as well.
It's crazy.
You know, I want a van. Like, it has to happen now.
Yeah.
Anyway, this is also the bed space.
King size bed space.
King bed.
It is massive. Maybe I'll take over now.
I was like, maybe Jack can do the bed.
So the bed, this is so cool. We didn't even know, or we did know about this stuff, but we'd never touched anything like this or dealt with it. So what you do is you pull these up. This is a special memory foam as well, and it was very comfortable.
It's so comfy.
You push this down.
Oh my gosh.
Hang on.
Please don't break it.
I've done something wrong. There we go. Okay, so take 2. You push this down like that. It clicks into place. Then you pull out more storage. Absolutely
Oh yeah.
ridiculous. You could get in there, Megan.
Good.
You could hide in there. So you grab this plank here out and you chuck it on like that. And you have the foam back. Just before we do make the bed, actually, I'm going to show you the electrical setup. So this makes the van for me. This is nuts. It is completely off grid. You could go off for as long as you want until you run out of water, I reckon. We got 400 watts of solar on the top. Solar panel's plugged in now and it's drawing in a crap load of amps. So it's charging the batteries very quick.
Is that the technical term, is it?
No, I don't know the technical term, but it's working. And when you open this cabinet, look at that. I don't know what any of that is, but I know that you can go to a caravan park, plug a power cord in and it charges all your batteries. Not that you'd need to do that anyway because the solar panels do that for you when it's sunny, obviously. And we got 400 amps of lithium power. Oh, it's all Enerdrive and 2,600 watts of inverter power. I'm pretty sure a setup like this would cost around $13,000 to $15,000. This is just extreme and I want it. I want it so badly. So yeah, that's just awesome. I could look at that all day and not even know I'm looking at it, but I just want to look at it. And then you come over here and you got all your touch screen here and we got 74% battery now. We're currently drawing 5.8 amps. Yeah, the fridge is on, so that's what we'll be drawing that. There's actually 20 amps of power coming in through the solar panels and charging the batteries at the moment. I think there's a bit of dust on the solar panels, so it's actually not as good as I thought it was at the moment. I don't want to press too many buttons, otherwise I might stuff it up. But got 2 USB points there as well. Before we show you the bed, we also got a hot water system. It's a Mercury 10 litre hot water system. Now you just flick that on, wait half an hour, and pretty sure we flicked it on before just to see how it was going, and the water's stayed hot. It just stays hot, so it's brilliant. Now this is the bed, so it's comfier than it looks. It's pretty cool, eh? It's massive. Megan and I did not even touch each other last night.
I know, it was amazing.
And it was the best sleep I've had in a long time. The Troopy's like probably that much. That's what we're used to, but...
And also there is, what's it called again? Mattress topper.
Yeah, mattress topper, so it makes it even more comfy. And then also we've got these 2 exhaust fans. I've forgotten the name of them. Maxi fan. And they absolutely pump. They pump. So we have one blowing in and one sucking out, and it's beautiful. Gets rid of the hot air, and it's really nice. We had that on all night, didn't we? Yeah. Sucking the air out. So that's pretty much it, eh? There's the back. Yeah. That's another main attraction.
Okay, so we'll start off by showing you this beautiful little bit. So we've got our barbecue here, and they've even got these beautiful mosaic tiles here to make it feel really kitcheny.
Van lifey.
So good. That just goes back in when you're done with it as well. Oh, and it's got extra storage on this side as well for your gas bottles, and you could even leave some cooking utensils out here as well. Yeah. That'd be cool. And this one, wait, no, I'll do this bit first. So we've got a table here.
This is cool.
This is ultimate van life. Imagine this, just pulling this out, pulled up at the beach, just you and your best bud. And
look at that. Have a seat. Sit on there.
Although it is a bit awkward for me to get on because I'm a bit short, so I gotta step up on here to get up.
Classic. And then you pull your table out. Living the dream.
We had breakfast here this morning. It was amazing.
It was, wasn't it? And then you got some extra storage here. These are just housing the sheets and stuff.
And then what was this one? Just more storage. Am I gonna break something? It's always the way when you're like in someone else's house.
Extra storage.
Am I gonna break something?
One more thing is the shower.
Oh yeah. So, thank you. How easy is that, hey? It's brilliant. So the owners kept it really simple with the shower, and we just got an outdoor shower, but it does have hot water, and they've got a 100-litre tank under there as well, and it's turned off.
Oh, you just gotta switch her on, mate.
Hey, good pressure. So yeah, as we said, they opted to use that recess inside the van for their storage instead, but to be perfectly honest, when you're living in a car, in a van, in a car, whatever, Troopy, you don't shower as often as you do at home. So I think having an outdoor shower is perfectly fine. Yeah. Rinse off when you're done at the beach or when you're feeling like extra dirty.
Yeah, you don't need an indoor shower, but personally, I would have one. I don't know, just because if you're going to go so luxury, why not have a shower inside?
Yeah, I guess so.
A lot of people will disagree, a lot of people might agree, but
I just think you just don't shower as often as
No, you don't.
would. Well, like, also if you had an indoor shower, you would be showering more often, so you'd go through your water quicker.
Yes,
So
you would.
I think having an outdoor shower is perfectly fine, because if you're doing van life in Australia particularly, most people will chase the sun
Yeah.
around, and you're going swimming quite often, so yeah, it's definitely not a need, but
no, it's
nice
not.
to have.
But anyway,
What else would you maybe change from the
so
inside of this van?
what I would change is, you know, where the sink, where the induction plate is.
Yeah.
If we didn't mention that, there's an induction plate in there.
I mentioned it.
Oh, you did? That there, I'd get rid of all that area, and I'd be able to. I would want to walk through to the cabin for those quick getaways.
Cabin.
Into the cab. It's an aeroplane now. Into the cab, because not that it's ever
That's
happened.
a cockpit in an
cockpit.
aeroplane. I think we need to start this bit again.
No, this is good. This is staying in. So I would want to walk into the cab of the car just for those quick getaways.
Yeah.
Even though we've never had to get into the cab and drive off as fast as we can, it's nice to have that peace of mind, especially for someone like me who has a bit of anxiety.
Yeah.
So yeah, that would change for me. I would probably have a shower. Mm-hmm. We're going to have to agree to disagree on that one.
Maybe a compromise with it.
Bit of a compromise.
We're talking like we're building a van. This might be a bit of a
We just bought a van.
alert, guys.
Nah.
I would maybe like a pop-up shower with a curtain that
Yeah,
you
yep,
can hook up, and then you've still got space then.
You,
But
you can probably tell we've watched every single van life video.
I think they have definitely used the space very well.
Very well, yeah.
And yeah, it's a really great build.
Yeah, it is.
And I'm so excited to go adventuring in it.
Yes, so one thing as well I would want is I love my four-wheel drives. So it doesn't need to be four-wheel drive, but if I could get a four-wheel drive van, it would be amazing. You could have everything you want, and I could have everything I want.
There you go. Well, let's just sit here. Just look out this view. Maybe we should sit here so it's more van life-y, and then we can just manifest our four-wheel drive,
Four-wheel drive van. We might win the lotto.
We don't play lotto.
We don't play the lotto. I don't know where I'm going with this,
Okay.
but anyway.
Anyway, if you would like to hire Eddie for yourself,
Yes.
by the way, that's the name of this van. Very
Big Ed.
cute.
Big Ed.
Yeah, if you would like to hire Eddie for yourself, he is available on Camplify, and we'll leave the link in the description below.
Yep.
If you're in Australia, of course. He is around the Torquay
Geelong, Victoria
Geelong-ish
area, and it's a very, very nice platform to use. Simple and easy platform. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, because next episode we are going to be exploring and really
Living the van life.
we're going to be living the dream. We're living the van
dream,
life.
anyway.
So anyway, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next week, guys.